on.
Hey, what's up, you guys? That dude Troy. Today, I'm gonna take on the cinnamon challenge. And I heard a lot about it. Heard it was kind of hard, but let's see how hard it can be. Guess you take cinnamon and a spoon. Gotta fill it up. Gotta make sure, y'all see I'm putting a good amount in. Alright. Gotta eat it without spitting it back out. And got some water here on the side just in case. And I'm gonna open it, because I've seen a lot of these stories and you guys went really crazy. So here we go.
Drink some water, get some water. I hate cinnamon.
I'm done. I guess I passed it. First time. I'm done. Toast. You stop it.
And cut. That
There.
was great.